Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 15, problem number 61 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And in this problem, we're given 8 molecules, and we are asked to devise a synthesis of each compound from cyclopentane and any other required organic or inorganic reagents. Okay, and so for A, we will start with cyclopentane. And we can chlorinate this. And that will get us to here. And then we can treat the alkyl chloride with potassium tert butoxide. And that will do an elimination. And that's going to get us to our product for A. Okay, so then for B, we're going to use the product that we made in A as our starting point. Okay, so we'll start from there. And to get the product that we want for B, we can do an NBS bromination. So NBS, and that's going to give us an allylic bromination. And so there's our product for B. So then for C, we're also going to start with the product that we made in A. So there's our product from A. And we want to get to an alcohol. And so we can just do an acid catalyzed hydration here. So water and sulfuric acid is going to give us the addition of the elements of water. So an H and an OH. Okay, and so there's C. So then for D, we'll also start with our product from A. And here we want a dichloride. And so we can get to the dichloride just by using chlorine gas. And that's going to give us the addition of 2 chlorines. So there they are. All right. We'll do E on a next page here. So for E, we're going to start from that same product that we made in A. And so obviously there are many more things that an alkene can do than an alkane. Okay, and so from A, and we want the epoxide here, so that's easy enough. We can just use MCP BA to do an epoxidation. All right, there we go. So then moving on, for F, to get this tribromide, we can start from the product that we made in B. So in B, we made this. And so we can start with that and just treat this with some bromine, some elemental bromine, and we will get the tribromide that we're looking for. All right. So that's F. G, again, we'll start with our product from B. Let me move this down just a little bit. Okay, so as I said, again, we'll start with our product from B. So there it is. And we can replace the bromine with an alcohol just by using some base. So some hydroxide ion, it could be sodium hydroxide, whatever. So there we go. That accomplishes that transformation. And then lastly, for H, we want a nitrile and an alcohol on adjacent carbons. And so what we can do here is we can use that epoxide that we made in E as our starting point. And if we treat this epoxide with sodium cyanide, that's going to be basically a nitrile nucleophile, so NaCN, and then work it up with some water to protonate the alkoxide to an alcohol. There we go. Okay, and so that's the answer to this problem. Really, we just need to know all of these different reagents that we've learned so far. We need to remember them and remember what they do, and then just use the previous parts of this problem's product as starting points for later parts of the problem. And that's the answer to chapter 15, problem number 61.